Babe, these heart gummies are so good.
Wait, from that green bag? Me one.
Sweet berry, and they're super cute.
Okay. I'm stealing your stash. Link it.
Look at these ads. A product commercial, a cinematic product shot, a UGC-style ad. And the crazy part is, every single one of them was created with AI using Higgsfield. No camera, no studio, no actors, just one product image and AI. And this is where things get interesting. Almost every business today needs video ads. Cafes, skincare brands, clothing stores, e-commerce brands, and local businesses. And many of them are paying hundreds of dollars just to create a single ad. But what if you could create these ads in minutes? And instead of selling these ads one by one, what if we turn the entire process into a SaaS business? That's exactly what we're going to build today. A web app where a customer uploads their product, chooses an ad style, and gets a complete set of ads generated for them. First, we'll create the product and all the ads using Higgsfield. Then, we'll connect Higgsfield directly to Claude Code using MCP. And finally, we'll build the complete AI Ad Studio, including the landing page, pricing, and customer dashboard. So let's build it. For this video, I'm creating a completely fictional brand called SPRIG, Sprig. It's a natural soda made with mint, ginger, lemon, black pepper, and lemongrass. No complicated ingredients, just a simple, natural drink. But here's the problem. I don't actually have this product. I don't have a photographer, I don't have a studio, and I don't have a production team. But I still need professional product photos and video ads. So let's create everything with AI. First, we need the product image. For this, I'm using Sol 2.0, Higgsfield's own image generation model. I'm going to paste my prompt here and generate the product shot. I'm describing a glass bottle with condensation on the surface, bubbles inside the drink, and ingredients like mint, lemon, ginger, and lemongrass around the bottle. One small tip here, when you're generating product packaging, don't ask AI to put too much text on the label. It can get messy. I usually keep it simple and just use the brand name. And there we go. Look at this. The lighting, the shadows, the condensation on the glass, and all those little details around the product. This already looks like something you could use for a real product campaign. Now, a product image is great, but if we're building an AI ad agency, we need video. So let's take this one product image and turn it into multiple different ads. For that, I'm going into Marketing Studio. This is one of the parts I really like because you can start with a single product image and build different advertising creatives from it. For this ad, I want something simple and product-focused. I'll upload my SPRG product image under Product first. Then I'll choose the 2D product motion style because for this first ad, I want the bottle itself to be the main focus. For the orientation, I'll select 9:16, so the final video is optimized for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok, and I'll keep the duration at 10 seconds. Now I just need a simple prompt to tell Higgsfield what kind of commercial I want. That's it. Now let's generate the first ad. While that's generating, think about the business opportunity here. A local cafe, restaurant, skincare company, clothing brand, or small e-commerce business constantly needs fresh advertising content. And here's our first result. Look at that. The product stays the focus, the camera movement makes it feel dynamic, and we started with just one image. This time, I want something much more cinematic and high energy. I'll switch to hypermotion and use a prompt with the Sprig bottle spinning in midair, sparkling water exploding around it, mint, lemon, and ginger flying through the frame, with a fast camera orbit and dramatic lighting. Let's generate it. And there we go. Look at that. This is a completely different level of commercial, and we created it from just one product image. Now let's create a few more variations to make this campaign feel complete. I'll generate both product-focused commercials and more dynamic mixed media ads using different styles, camera movements, product shots, and visual elements. This way, from just one product image, we can create a complete set of ads with completely different looks and formats. So now we have 6 different types of ads for the same product. And this is exactly the kind of workflow we're going to turn into our AI Ad Studio SaaS. Instead of doing all of this manually, the goal is to let a customer upload their product once, choose what kind of campaign they want, and let our application handle the rest. And to build this, I'm going to use Claude Code. But there's one problem. Claude Code can build the entire application, but it can't generate these AI videos by itself. So we need to connect it to something that can, and that's where Higgsfield MCP comes in. Think of it this way. Claude is the brain, and Higgsfield MCP gives it the hands. Once we connect them, Claude Code can access Higgsfield's models and generate the images and videos directly through our application. So instead of manually opening Higgsfield every time, we're going to connect everything together and automate the whole creative workflow. And open MCP and CLI from the navigation. Here you'll find the option to copy the Higgsfield connector URL. I'll simply click the copy button next to it. Now I'll switch over to Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, and choose Add Custom Connector. I'll paste the Higgsfield connector URL here, add the connection, and that's it. Now Claude is connected to Higgsfield, so we can use Higgsfield's models directly in our AI Ad Studio workflow. Now let's start building our AI Ad Studio. Before opening Claude Code, I've created a dedicated folder and added all the media we generated earlier with Higgsfield, including the product images and video ads. I'll add this folder to Claude Code so it has access to all of our generated assets while building the application. I'm going to start by giving Claude Code a simple instruction to create the core of our SaaS application, a professional landing page, a pricing section, and a dashboard where users can manage and access their generated ads. And the interesting part is, I'm not sitting here writing all the code myself. I'm simply describing what I want the application to do, and Claude Code is handling the implementation for me. This is what I really like about AI coding tools. You don't necessarily need to be an experienced developer anymore. You need to understand what you want to build and then clearly communicate that to the AI. And Claude has finished the first version of our application landing page. I will just open the localhost link. And this is what we've got. We have a clean landing page that immediately explains what the product does, upload one product photo, and turn it into multiple video ads. We've also got our showcase section where I'm using the actual sprig ads we generated earlier with Higgsfield. Then we have the workflow section showing the 3 simple steps: upload your product, choose an ad style, and get your finished ads. And I've also added a pricing section with different plans, so this isn't just a demo page anymore. It's starting to look like a real SaaS product that you could actually put in front of customers. And now, when I sign in, the entire customer dashboard opens. This is where the actual workflow happens. Right at the top, we have the workspace, available credits, and all the main sections like campaigns, asset library, brand kit, analytics, and billing. And from here, a customer can simply upload their product, choose an ad style, and start creating their campaign. For reel generation, you'll need your Higgsfield API key from your account settings. You paste it into the env file here, and you're connected. You just need credits on your account for the renders. Now, let's actually test what we built. I'll go back to the customer dashboard and upload a new product image. This time I'm using a lipstick brand, so I'll upload the product image, select Hypermotion, and click Generate Ads. And just like that, the generation starts. I'll let it finish, and after a little wait, our ads should be ready. And there we go. Just look at these results. Our new lipstick creatives are ready, and the product looks clean and consistent across the different variations. You can also see the new campaign appearing alongside the other ads we created earlier. And what's really impressive is that we started with just one product image, and Higgsfield turned it into multiple advertising creatives with completely different visuals and motion. Then we took that workflow one step further by connecting Higgsfield MCP with Claude Code and building our own application around it. So now you can take this workflow and turn it into a service for small businesses, brands, agencies, or freelance clients. You could even deploy the SaaS, add your own pricing and payment system, and start selling subscriptions. Whether you're doing AI filmmaking, product ads, or creating content for clients, this kind of workflow can save you a huge amount of time. And that's exactly what we built today. We started with a simple product, created the visuals and ads with Higgsfield, connected Higgsfield to Claude Code using MCP, and turned the whole workflow into an AI Ad Studio. If you want to try it yourself, you can start creating AI videos and AI images straight away. And it's honestly one of the cheapest platforms out there for this. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. And if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe because I'll be building more AI SaaS products and showing you exactly how you can turn these AI workflows into real businesses. I'll see you in the next one.